Credits to Universal Pictures and DreamWorks.
Copyright music, yeah. Dogman. When the streets are hostage.
Alright, Doggo, turn on the siren.
Bark. Two in the city's final residents. Must rest together.
Okay, which one should we cut first? Red? Green? Oh, okay. Wait, our dog's colorblind.
Bark.
Oh, shit!
And fight. Bark.
What if we sold the man's body to the dog's head?
Yeah! Copyright music. Dogman. More copyright music. He has no friends. Bark. He also plays piano for the old people.
I'm not letting this dog man ruin my evil plan, super copy. I never let him ruin my plan.
How evil will one cat be? Pretty evil. Bark. Dogman, you need to be a professional cop.
And you cannot go to.
Okay, time for this. Go. Bark. Just go. Bark. Oh, dang it. I'm not okay. It takes a training montage. More damn copyright music. Bark. Buckle up. More damn copyright music. More damn copyright music. More damn copyright music.
So you have to keep your eyes on the monitors, okay? So, and I have your favorite chew toy. Go, you look at the monitors. And I have your favorite squirrel. Look at the monitors.
Bark. More copyright music.
Oh my god, get off me! Why are you doing rabies in my mouth?
Bark. More damn copyright music.